Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. So today we are going to be looking at this beat in front of us here. It's a Daddy Andre type beat. So as you all know, Daddy Andre is known for his hit songs like Nangana. Baby tufanana tubenga tugabana and Free. See, I go fall in love, fall in love. Then we have another one, Searching, hit songs only. Yasisinkana yange no yali along the way. So for more, you go follow Daddy Andre. As you can see, for me, I've already subscribed. I'm always waiting. So today we're going to be looking at one of his songs. This song is this one here. Let's check it out. So not to waste so much time, let's get straight to checking what it is. So as you can see, we're checking on Juliana, Daddy Andre. Black Market Records, Juliana. So that's what we tried making today. Let's get straight to it. Let's check how it is. The first thing, let's first hear it.
Gabbyproscra official.
Whoa, bro, that's not your beat, bro. Remove that name, delete that shit. Yo, that's Andre on the beat here. Remove that name. We don't need that name there. Let's go. Basslines. Trumpets. The guitar. Let's go and check out how we mix the first one. What's this? Cut the low end. Good compression. Fruity chorus, play with it the way you see I played with it. Vintage chorus, remove the noise all. Now we have the second one. That's how it sounds, and that's how they mix. And then we have this. As you can see, that's a drum and the bass. Another piano. There were two piano. This is close grand and grand piano. So we have fruity chorus there. Reduce the volume. Vintage pressure. Reduce fruity parameter EQ. Cut the low end beat. Make sure you go and listen to the song. Yeah, thank you for watching. Next time I'm going to make a beat on the aggressive beats of Alien Skin. Someone said they wanted, so we're going to be looking at Alien Skin's aggressive type beats. So stay tuned to watch the next one. Yeah.